What are you most curious about right now?
I think the thing that I'm most curious about is, in the markets that we work in private equity, in venture capital, there's a big repricing going on in those markets. You had a lot of really risk-free capital that was going out the door to fund these businesses. Debt was very, very cheap, and it facilitated a lot of growth in the private markets. Then you sort of had that Wild West going on in the end of 21, beginning of 22, where everyone's trying to do deals, and there was a huge amount of pricing valuation that spiked, and now you're seeing a repricing in the market. I think the thing that's really interesting to me is what's going to happen now in the private markets, for earlier stage businesses or growth stage businesses. How are both investors and businesses going to be able to find a common ground where they can get transactions done? Because there's right now a huge gap in between businesses that think they might be worth much more than what they actually are in the market, and investors now that are really can pay a lot less, just given the price of capital, given how much valuation and multiples have gone down. So what I'm really interested in seeing is how this is going to play out over the next couple of years. And can the private markets get their groove back in terms of doing deals, and helping early stage or growth stage businesses find capital?
Awesome.